How to order on HelloFresh. For this, open a browser and search for www.hellofresh.com. Tap on the first search result. Then you will be directed to its webpage here. And at the top, you should find the option of a hamburger icon. Tap on it. From there, you have to select the option of Our Menus. If you want to check out the plans, tap on Our Plans. So right here, you can go ahead and select an item if you want to order any that you find interesting. If you have not registered yet, tap on Get Cooking. From there, you can select a plan, then register, add your address, check out, then select meals. Once you are registered, you can just go ahead and browse through the meal items that you want to be delivered. So HelloFresh will deliver you wholesome amount of groceries that is required for the particular food meal. So once you have selected a meal item, it will display your order something like this. You can even select a delivery date and change the box size. You can even select if you want to skip this week of grocery delivery as well. So it is a very great platform if you want to devour some good and fresh meal and with all the necessary ingredients that will be sent to you by HelloFresh. So make sure to go ahead and check it out, and thank you so much for tuning in.